Ms.
36
Warren.
Okay, thank you so much. Mhm.
36 District,
Oh, go ahead, Mr. Keller.
36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While question session, there's no reading, talking, walking, sleeping, eating, driving, or smoking. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Cutler. Ms. Horn, we were just about to do Mr. Rook's case. I know he's filed several motions, and I think his biggest issue was that he's contending that there was no search warrant that was executed when the police officer came. I don't know if that really applies, because usually a search warrant is to look for stuff, and I mean, I'm not sure exactly what happened, but
I'm not certain either, Your Honor. And respectfully, Mr. Brooks, the things that you filed require me to have no response. These are affidavits. I don't know what the request is based on the paperwork that was presented to me. But I'm not sure we can get the officer here for a final pretrial, but.
Here's the thing, so while you weren't present, you know, I know that Mr. Brooks essentially wants this dismissed, and I asked him, what is his basis for dismissal? And he was basically stating that this was not an adult use marijuana establishment. And it sounds like that's a question of fact. So he has stated that he's willing to do a bench trial where you could have your witness come and testify, and then he can present whatever evidence he needs to present to show that he did not in fact operate an adult use marijuana establishment without a license.
Absolutely, Your Honor. The people would be totally amenable to that. That is Mr. Rook's right. Additionally, I think, I'm not sure, do we have the original ticket there, Your Honor?
We do.
Okay. I'm after the session, I'm going to come and get the original ticket. So Mr. Rooks, I can also work with the officer or investigator to see what was going on at that particular time.
All right. And so, okay, so we'll just call it, this is the People versus Jermaine Rooks. Ticket number U635-02822. Count one, operated adult use marijuana establishment without a license. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Mr. Rooks. Tamika Horn on behalf of the people, P70303.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Mr. Rooks.
Mr. Rooks, say your name, sir.
Jermaine Rooks. Good morning.
I understand, Mr. Rooks, you do wish to set this for a bench trial. You want to set this for a bench trial, Mr. Rooks?
Yes.
Okay, raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You do understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
Okay, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea and set this for a bench trial date for February 14th at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
All right, so any witnesses you have or whatever evidence you have, make sure you get it to Ms. Horn, and probably Ms., I don't know who's gonna represent you on that day. It might be Mr. Roki, I don't know. And then if you have any witnesses, make sure they come zoom in. And I think that is it. Was there anything further on behalf of the people?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
Anything further on behalf of Mr. Rooks?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
So you're all set. You got your next date. It's February 14th at 9 o'clock. If the officer doesn't show up, then it'll likely be dismissed.
Okay, thank you.
Okay?
Yeah.
Right. Any questions?
Is it in question, is it in person or virtual?
It's on Zoom. I mean,
Is it in person?
On Zoom, sir.
Okay, cool. I couldn't hear. All right, thank you.
all right. So good luck,